Hello and welcome to the Symbio video channel. The Symbio video channel is all about empowering the Symbio stakeholders, like the Symbio author who creates and models a process. Beside the Symbio author, there are also other stakeholders like the viewer, the architect, the approver, the analyst, and the administrator. Now let's have a look at the third video of the Symbio author. It's all about optimizing the process content. So let's just jump into the process we modeled before, and you have three options in order to optimize the process flow. So one option is moving one task, for example, from one position to the other. So let's just say the task provide general data should be moved to a other position in the process flow. And let's just say it should be moved and it should be here a third path in the parallel gateway branch. So we select the task to be moved. We go to the toolbar, move in current process. Now Symbio asks us choose a predecessor for the selected object, and the predecessor in order to get a third path would be then here the parallel gateway. And now you see the end product is that provided general data is moved and it is gone at the original position. Let's just draw here the connecting line, which is missing at the moment. Beside moving objects, objects can also be copied. For example, let's just say the task double check data should be copied and pasted in somewhere else in the process flow. Okay, so we select it as before. We go to the toolbar, copy in current process, and then let's just, for example, choose create account as a predecessor. And now you see the task is copied. It is here at the new position. Still, it is also here still available at the original position. And it goes without saying, as you can see, the role business traveler was obviously also copied. So all related data objects are also copied with the process flow object. Now you can also multi-select objects and then move, copy, or delete them en bloc. So let's just select two tasks at the same time. For example, double check data here. And then in order to select more than one object, you just simply click here in the toolbar on the multi-selection button. And now you see I can just select a second object, and then we can remove it by clicking here on the bin. We just remove both of them at the same time, okay? Finally, you can move a whole path within a branch. For example, let's just say the second path here with scan receipts and upload receipts should be moved to the left. So let's just here click on the first object in the path, and then you see via the arrow, you can move it to the left. It's a very handy function when you have a bigger process flow where lines are crossing each other. Then I advise you to use that function by just moving paths within a branch. All right, so let's move back to the overview page. The next video is about the release cycle, and the whole next series of videos is in relation to the Symbio architect who manages architectures like the process architecture or the system architecture, for example. Thank you for having watched this video. Bye-bye.